You remember John Chevelle that was getting the 1,094 horsepower Whipple supercharged LS? We'll take a look at this car now. Putting the whole story together, here's where we were a year ago.
The car guys do when they have an awesome car? Well, they make it more awesome, of course. John's been a big block guy for a long time, but he's finally concluded that it wouldn't get him where he needed to go, and he just had to have a Borowski supercharged LS. This hydraulic roller street beast is built to last. It features a Dart SHP Pro LS Next block, Cali's Magnum crank, and their ultra rods, along with the set of diamond pistons. The 427 cubic inch short block is topped with a set of Borowski CNC ported all-pro heads, along with a 2.9 liter Whipple supercharger. The engine, water meth injection, and the custom 4L80 Borowski transmission are all controlled by a Holley Terminator X-Max.
Nice ride, John.